Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about Microsoft Power Automate's trigger conditions. What this exactly and how it actually works, let's just talk about this one. So when you go in your Power Automate and try to create any of the flow, let's suppose I'm creating an instant flow, I skip this step and name my flow as an trigger flow and select SharePoint, and the trigger point for me is when an item is created and modified. I select the site URL and I select the my list name. And for me, when there is an item is created or modified in this particular data list, this particular flow should run. And this is my data list. So what happen is, what I want basically, the flow should run when the item is created or modified, but it should be run based on some conditions into the particular item. So in my case, I have the status column. What I want, the flow should run when the status of this item is closed, then only my flow should run. So how I can achieve that is based on the trigger conditioning of my flow. So now I'll go in my this flow here. So what I'm doing is I'll go in my filter array and select the status value. Status value is equal to closed, right? And click on this advanced mode, and I have formula with me, and I'll go in my created and modified setting. There is trigger conditions. I have to paste this here, click on done, and we are good. And the next step what I want to is send email to created by email title and saying hi, created by display name, saying your has been closed, please archive this and save my flow. So now I'm in my data list. So as you can see, test 1 has the status open right now, and test 2 has the status closed, and test 3 has the status open. So I will be testing this out in test 1 and test 3. Alright, I go in my test, try to edit this one and say this is test 1 edited, save this one. But the status is open, so this should not be a trigger. The flow should not be triggered in this case, right? And I'll also do this for the test 3. Try to edit this one and change the status from open to close. And when I change the status from open to close, the flow should be triggered here, right? So I first edited this test 1 and then test 3. We'll see in our flow how it's actually works. We'll go in our history of this particular one, and you can see 3 seconds ago it succeeded only one time, and we'll see for which one it succeeded. We'll go there, and you can see the title test 3, and you can see for the test 3 we have status closed. Our flow has triggered for this one, but not for the test 1. As you can see here, there is no trigger for test 1. So this is the way you can actually put the trigger condition on your Power Automates to trigger based on conditions of your data. I hope you like this video. If you do like, don't forget to subscribe, learn and tech. Thank you so much for watching.